Stop scrolling. Tara, solve natin tong passport exam problem.
For the next question, okay, we have 3 bins here. No? 1200 newtons yung weight nilang tatlo. And the diameter of each cylinder is 600 millimeters. So, all of them have the same diameters, which means congruent silang lahat. And if we try to connect the centers, we will form an equilateral triangle. So, we will be seeing, or we'll be expecting angles that are 60 degrees or around 30 degrees, no? Kasi nga, symmetrical halos lahat ng nandyan, no? Symmetrically congruent yung circles, equal yung mga diameters, and the like. So, for sure, horizontal to, no? Okay, anyways, for letter A, what is the force at A? So, let's try to isolate the uppermost cylinder. So, we have here a 1200 Newton weight. And of course, since we have a contact in between these two cylinders, obviously, dapat may force dyan. There should be a force, no? More like a reaction force. Yan. Okay, and since, no, if we connect the centers, as I have said earlier, magkakaroon tayo ng mga equilateral triangle. This is 60, 60. If we draw a vertical line there, magkakaroon dyan ng 30 degrees. So, which means, yung inclination nito is 30 degrees from the vertical. Same is true with this, 30 degrees. So, therefore, based from the figure, the force at point A should be equal to the force that of point B. No? Ayan, due to symmetry din. So, A equals B na agad tayo dyan. Kahit mag-summation of forces horizontal ka, A equals B pa rin yung lalabas dyan, no? So, from summation of forces vertical equal to 0, we have A cosine 30 plus B cosine 30. So, A na lang din yan, di ba? A cosine 30 equal to 1,200 newtons. Therefore, the contact force at point A is equal to, yan, 1,200 divided by 2 na kaagad, no? Tas cosine 30. So, A is equal to 692.82 newtons. Next, for letter B is the reaction at B. So, for the reaction at B, let's isolate naman this time ito, no? Yung cylinder sa baba. So, what are the forces applied there? We have the weight, 1,200 newtons. Yung force A, this time pababa na siya. So, let's store the value of A here. So, 692.82 newtons. Of course, may vertical force sa F. Ngayon, okay, tignan nyo ang tulak ng point A is to the left. To the left, no? Imposible ngayon magkakaroon ng force dito sa C. Tingnan nyo mabuti tinutulak nga niya papunta doon. No? So, pati din sa kabila, tulak papunta sa right. So, meron bang way na magkaroon ng contact force doon sa point C? Wala. No? So, wala tayong force na i-apply dyan. And then for this point, dito na yung force D. So, to solve for the reaction at point D, okay, yan, dagdagan din pala natin, 60 degrees yung inclination nitong angle na to, ng force na to, of course. No? So, from summation of forces horizontal equal to 0, we have D equal to 692.82 cosine of 60 degrees. Okay, so A, cosine 60. So, therefore, we have 346.41 newtons. Letter C, reaction at point G. Ngayon, dito sa reaction at point G, kahit hindi na natin actually gamitin tong mga to. No? Kasi may shorter way yan. Isipin mo na lang, vertical yung reaction dito, no? And of course, based from the figure, from symmetry, equal yung reaction dito sa dalawa. Alright? And, ayan, vertical, no? Vertical yung force. Ano yung kukontrahin nilang direction, di ba? Vertical din. No, kung vertical din yan, ano ba yung applied vertical forces in this figure? We have the 3 weights. Diba? So yun na yun. Yung tatlong weight na yan, paghahatian ng dalawang reaction dito. Okay? Yung mga horizontal reactions kasi dito sa kabila, para lang yan sa mga contact forces. Yung pang pang-kontra lang dun sa contact forces. So, walang kinalaman yan dun sa reactions dito sa baba. So, therefore, to get the reaction at G, no, again, paghahatian, no, so 1/2. Ilang cylinders yun? So, tatlo, no? Tatlong 1,200. Okay, you can actually verify this using summation of forces vertical. Okay, dito, mag-summation of forces vertical ka dito, makukuha mo din yung sagot, which is 1,800 newtons.
Anong gusto niyong sagutan natin next? Comment down below. Follow this page for constant reminders to get back on track.